In this video, we will learn how to solve given simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Two equations are given to us, and using Cramer's rule, we have to solve these two simultaneous equations. To solve equations using Cramer's rule, we have to follow three steps. So the step 1 is to write the given equation in the form ax plus by equal to c. Analyze the first equation. Constant is already on other side of equal to. So consider the first equation and give it equation number 1. Now analyze the second equation. In second equation also the constant term is on other side of equal to. So directly you can consider the second equation and give it equation number 2. Now let us proceed to the step 2 in solving. In step 2 we have to find values of d, dx and dy. So to find value of d, let us write determinant d equal to find value of determinant d, we have to write coefficients of variables of first equation along with the signs in first row, that is 3 and minus 4 will be written in first row. Coefficient of variables of second equation 4, 3 will be written in second row. So you have got determinant d. Already we have studied how to find the values of determinant. We have to take subtraction of cross multiplication. So next step will be written as 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4. So next line 3 into 3 9 minus 4 into 4 minus 16. Next step 9 plus 16 minus plus. So you get the value, therefore d is equal to 25. Next step we have to find value of dx. So while finding the value of dx, what we have to do is, in d, coefficient of x, that is 3 and 4, are to be replaced by constants 10 and 5. So now dx can be written as, instead of 3 and 4, we'll be writing 10 and 5. Coefficient, 10 and 5. Coefficient of variable y will be written as it is, that is minus 4, 3 will be written as it is. I'll repeat, while writing dx, you have to replace x coefficients in d, that is this 3 and 4 will be replaced by constant 10 and 5. Minus 4 by 3 will be written as it is. So let us proceed solving the determinant. We take cross multiplication. So 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. This gives us 30 minus 4 5 is 20. So minus 20. Next line 30 plus 20 and this gives us 50. So therefore value of dx is 50. Next we have to find value of dy. So while finding determinant dy, we have to again go to determinant d. For finding dy, x will be written as it is, that is 3, 4 will be copied as it is. And y coefficients minus 4 and 3 will be replaced by constant 10 and 5. So 3, 4, 10, 5. We know how to solve the determinant. We have to take the cross multiplication step. So our step will be 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. This gives us 15 minus 40. So therefore dy is minus 25. From smaller number we are subtracting greater number. So negative sign is given to the solution. Now we come to step 3 of Cramer's rule. So therefore by Cramer's rule, we know using Cramer's rule we have to use the formula x is equal to dx by d. Value of dx is 50 and value of d is 25. So 50 upon 25, answer is 2, and For y, the formula used is dy by d. Value of dy we have got minus 25. Value of d is 25. So minus 25 by 25. Answer is minus 1. Then finally we get the solution. Therefore, xy is equal to 2 minus 1. This is the final solution of equation. So this is how you solve given simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule.